one more thing. Other than using the after a pronoun or a name, you also can use it after a place. For example, 北京的 Beijing's, 上海的 Shanghai's, 意大利的 Italian something, and 美国的 American something. And also, you can use the after a time noun as well. For example, 今天的 today's, 明天的 tomorrow's. So, 今天的飞机 today's flight, 明天的火车 tomorrow's train. Alright, the particle word the for possessive form in Chinese. Thank you. So, 今天的飞机，今天的飞机，今天的飞机 today's flight.